This again, look at the quality of steel here. This steel is solid steel. And what type of steel we need? We need what type of steel we need?
This is stainless 306.
304. 304L. This is stainless steel furniture. Look at this again. Look at the weight. Pure stainless steel. When you buy, the thickness of the sheet matters and the quality purity of steel matters. And now this is powder coated. Just showing these things can be powder coated. Now this, whenever you look at any workstation, we talk in terms of the width. This is actually the length, this is the width. So it depends upon how much work we want to, space we need. So when you're working in andrology, we need 2.5 feet into 2 feet. Kitna? 2.5 into Hindi? 2.5 into or 3 into 2 feet or 4 into 2 feet. I always feel we should buy 4 into 2 feet. That gives you more space to work. I have one more there and this is 6 feet. 6 feet because we are training people, so I have to keep more stuff here. It is 6 feet. Done? Understand? Okay. Now this is a small, it is, they are normally 2.5, 3 feet into 2 feet. So this will be my 2 feet width and all my display will always come on my screen. So just call, so this display can come on the screen, what we are watching here, and it has got light off and on button, and they have got fan speed and even ultraviolet light. What you see here is a test tube heater. Is a test tube heater where you can keep our tubes. Where do we use a glass tube? I just want to ask you. We read in the morning. Where do we use? Normally our tubes are made up of plastic. Wow, fructose test. I kept it for that only. When we do fructose test, we use
glass tube.
Why? Why glass? Excellent, excellent. So these are the ones I want you people to just have a feel of it, and you will find that these are made up of anodized aluminium. Because made of, you see the heated, they're all heated.
Yes, sir, heated.
And they normally are in the black color, you pass it on. And then the black color, because we need to, black color will absorb heat. And they are anodized. So what do you mean by anodization?
Charge negative.
Charge नहीं होगा they won't.
Anodized means we dip our aluminum into sulfuric acid. So when it goes into sulfuric acid will make the surface a bit rough. It'll get inside the metal, and with this the metal won't corrode, it won't rust. So all the things which we use are always made up of, they do anodization. With anodization, it will become bit rough, but then it won't rust. Done.